see now group discussion may I'm going to go for GD today. And in GD, normally two kind of topics come. One is current relevant topic come. I mean, related to what is happening in our day-to-day life. So if you are a little bit aware about what is happening day to day, then you can participate in that GD. Second type of question which is asked in this is related to some philosophical topic. He just wants to know your thinking pattern, in which direction you are thinking, and what are your ideas coming, and whether you are in position to speak out or not. So that is the second part. So you can keep yourself mute by the time I'm explaining, and then we will start the first round. You can keep yourself mute, all of you, right? Okay. So that is a philosophical topic normally which he can give you, and today I'm going to give you one such topic, philosophical topic, not current relevant topic, but yes, you people will have lot of things to tell about that. So in such cases, marks are given to how lucid, how beautifully you explain the things, how simply you explain the things, how you discuss with others, different context in which you can think of. I mean, what is your thinking pattern? So that should be little innovative, that should be little I'll say creative. So that is the marks are given for that. The topic which I give today for GD is, I have already sent you that also, so I repeat the topic, you can write. Topic is, those who run fast, those who run fast win in the race of life. Those who run fast win in race of life. Those who run fast win in race of life. So the topic, I repeat, those who run fast win in race of life. Okay, so now I think I should start from one fellow. Jitendra, I will start from you.
Sir, I'm audible?
Yeah.
Okay, good evening, everyone. Today we are given the topic that whoever runs fast wins in the race of life. So I would like to start with a famous dialogue of Three Idiots, where the professor says that life is a race, and if you don't run fast, uh, you will be not be winning the race, and you will be losing the race of life. So this quote somewhat is true in the sense that we have to be active in the race of life. We have to be always look at the opportunities which are before us, and we should try to grab those opportunities. But at the same time, only being fast doesn't ensures that you will win the race. You have to be very meticulous, you have to be very hardworking, and you have to be your you should always be applying your mind at which opportunity is correct for you, which is going to be in the long run, which will give you more benefit. So just running fast doesn't ensures you and success in life. You have to be meticulous, you have to be hardworking, you have to be very involved in that. So I would like to invite you all to participate in the discussion. Thank you.
Okay, Manu.
Good evening, friends. My name is Manu. The topic given to us is a philosophical one, which is those who run fast win in the race of life. I have to say that this is like survival of the fittest, as the Darwin's theory suggests. Those who run fast, take the case of animals like rabbit. When it run fast and look for it, safety of its life from a tiger or some wild animal like that, it wins in its life and it can survive longer time, and it can live longer. But this can be thought in another perspective also. Life may not be seen as a race or a sport like cricket or football. Let's think of it like a music, like something to enjoy rather than to compete with others. So there are two perspectives to this, and I'm sure that we'll be having different opinions to share with, and I'm opening this discussion to all of us.
Okay, done.
Done, sir.
Okay, Vishnu.
Very good evening, everyone. I'm very glad to start this GD discussion. And today's topic given is those who run fast wins the race of life. And I think this topic is very interesting, and it is a philosophical topic. And in my opinion, it depends on whom. It depends on person to person what is win for their life. Some people think what is success or what is win for their they have different perspective of success or perspective of life of to be win or success. So it's running fast doesn't mean you will definitely gonna win anything. There is a strategy. It is very important to win or any situation or any win in life also. Strategy is very important, and planning the things accordingly, it is also another thing. These are the two main things which helps to win in the life or in any situation. So, and it's not only running fast and running doing many things or running fast for what you want. It's very important to work, not only work hard for that, but also work smart for that. So work smart for that to get that. So for that we need to plan and we need to strategy. These are the very important in if it is a game or it is a life or it is anything. If you have any perspective of the life to win it the strategy all matters in every situation. So in my opinion, running for life uh, who runs for fast, who may not be win the race, but who goes for strategic and plan, he will definitely gonna win if he tries again and again. And I would like to open the group. I would like to open the house for the discussion. So I would think you will all have very good points on this and very good thoughts on this.
Rupen.
So thank you.
Rupen.
Good evening, friends. Myself, Rupen Kumar Priye. I am glad to start the discussion on those who run fast win in the race of life. First of all, in ancient time we study about in ancient era we studied that the slow and steady wins the race, like the story of a tortoise and the rabbit. The tortoise running slow and steady wins the race, but in the rabbit does not win the race. There is a strategic demerit in the rabbit. So in this era, we study about we know about that with steady we run with a smart strategy, like we have to run fast. So you have to do a smart work like hard working, smart working, and we work on we work on every opportunity. We have to think about the opportunities that coming in this era, and we have to work regardless. We have to work on that opportunity only, just as like working on the relevant area. Like the engineers should have to do work in their relevant area, not on the field, not all the field. Like they have to do like in a smart work. Thank you, sir. So I want to work. I want that everyone start discussion on this topic.
Kishan.
So good evening, everyone. Today's topic is those who runs fast wins in the life. So it's very relevant for all of us, as we all are youth here and just about to start our journeys as a professional. So what I think so is ki life should not be treated as a 100-meter race. So obviously we, as in this very fast world, we have to run fast, but it's better life should be treated as a 100-meter race. Rather, it should be treated as a marathon, so that although we have seen that for example, let's take example of our exam, gate exam. So that particular exam requires a proper planning and strategy. Even running fast doesn't guarantee that you will able to crack the exam, but yeah, if you are doing your preparation properly while managing and strategizing the things, then obviously you will get success. So I open the discussion for all of us. Let's have a wonderful discussion.
Okay, now I think Ankit can start.
Good evening, friends. Myself Ankit. I am glad to start the discussion. The topic given to us for the discussion is those who run fast win the race of life. I partially agree with this topic because running fast doesn't matter. We have to run in a particular direction also, like proper direction. If we are not running in the proper direction, then we will not get the things that we want. And as well as we have to be persistent also, like if we are running continuously, then only we can run the race. Yeah, now I open the house for the discussion.
Okay, so Renu.
Good evening, friend. My name is Renu Gupta, and I am glad for this discussion. And the topic give to us to those who run fast win in the race of the life. And in my point of view, more points are covered by me for this discussion. First point is the first of all, active person, healthy person, and healthy person like mentally and physically healthy person always run in his life. And second point, we have always hard working and benefit the opportunity at that time when the opportunity come in your life. And third point is that we can take in the business, we can third point is the every person have a best strategy, best planning, decision taking, right decision making capacity at the right time also. And we can take in a business profession, in career, and in your family responsibility. Every person will always win if he is hardworking, he is best strategy, he have a best planning, he have a best strategy, best planning, and capacity of the taking the right decision making power. And now I invite all of you for the participate in such group discussion.
Okay, Rahul.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Rahul Best. I'm glad to be a part of this group discussion. The topic given us is those who run fast win the race of life. In my opinion, the topic is interesting and also thought-provoking. I believe that the point is very right that whoever runs fast win the race. But the main thing behind that is the hard work, discipline, and persistence are the things which we have to take care of. Because when we learn new things, we have to be slow in that. After we learn that, focus on that work, then automatically our speed is going to increase and we will win the race of life. But the thing is not like that. If we run fast initially we have to learn that, we have to be patient, and we have to focus on that. We have to consistently do that work so that our speed automatically increase and we win the race. So it connected with that. So we have to do first that work, then automatically our speed is going to increase. And the topic is very right that whoever runs fast win the race of life. So that's all from my side. Now I invite all of you to participate. Thank you.
Okay, so we have completed first round. Everybody has spoken in the first round. Now the second round, as you know, is the discussion among you, and that round will go for 10 minutes. So within 10 minutes, you should discuss among you, so that next conclusion, you should have some better consensus or some points to be added, right? So I open the house for discussion among you.
Okay, I would like to add to point of Rahul. Rahul has made a very important point that we must have patience.
First thing is that we have to be persistent or focus on our work. so that it teaches us how to run fast and win the
Yeah,
race.
exactly, Rahul. I agree with you. While
I
learning
agree.
something new or while tackling a new problem, we need to be patient. We need to be patient.
Yeah,
and
definitely.
Obviously, we have to learn.
Actually,
we-
I
we-
cover some points. But I cover some points for this conclusion. First of all, every person have healthy, have always healthy, because if we
Yeah,
not
mental
healthy,
and
Yes,
and
definitely.
mental and
this
physical
mental
health is
health,
also important for
Mental
achieving
and the physical
success.
health is must
we know
there, but main
Yeah,
thing is
I
that we have to be persistent
that
and focus in
yeah,
our
exactly.
work,
We have
Yeah,
to
so
be
that
we
we
need to
can
persistent,
learn that
persistent,
and we
work
have to
more
take in
easily.
all the things.
exactly,
Make a
it's not
hurry
just
in
race,
the
and
starting.
To win the
If
life
race,
is
in
not
the
a race.
starting we
Actually,
make
first
a
of all,
hurry
we need to
and we
understand that
have to
life is
be
not a
sure
race.
about the
So,
running
so
fast,
so
then we
and it
may
is life
lose
is
the
not
race
a
of
race,
life.
and to win this, if you consider it as a race, and if you consider anything as a race,
and
so
I think
some
yeah,
should be
exactly,
competition is
Vishnu.
something
I
very
should be
high.
totally
there.
agree
Yeah,
with
If
you.
I
anyone
think competition
People
While
to
is
people,
running
the
competition
in
in
a
this
life
world
is
is going to
different
be
for
very
winning.
high. We
target,
have to be in
we
the
yeah,
want
race.
to
We have to be in
Different
the
people
race
have
and try.
different
I
we want
agree
perspectives.
to
with
Like
all of
focus
you.
on
There are
your
many
target.
relevant
different
points
people
made by
have
you.
different
I
perspective
have
to
a
win the
best
life. So
strategy and
someone
best
Considering
is
it
getting
that
the
one,
practice.
job
because
is winning.
may not be
Someone to
always
become
consider
a
other
chairman
ways.
is winning. Someone to become a
But
president is
Vishnu,
winning.
in each
Someone
and
to
every
just
part of
have
your
a
life, you
full
have
meal
to
is
work
winning.
hard.
So
Vishnu, in each and every life,
in
a
each and
part of
every
your life,
person
you have
we
to
work
run a
hard,
race
but the
and you have to win
amount
that.
of working
I
is
think
different.
if
I
you
am
Yeah,
are
saying
very
explaining
right,
more,
Rahul.
means
I
we
want
all
to
We have
add
to
to
know
your
we
what
have
we
to
are
Five
we have
talking
to a
points.
about.
big
we need a
strategy.
strategy. We need a
Work
planning. If we
hard
With
had a
to
without
planning
succeed.
and
strategy, you
strategy,
cannot.
Yeah, exactly.
we
For
will
Smart
everything, you
we
need
can
to
say
stick to
anything.
Then
We
you
planning,
have
and
to
you
work
need
finish
to
in
in
our
the
stick
If
to
race.
you
respective
strategy.
directly
area.
come up with a planning and strategy,
If
then
anyone is
automatically your
working
speed
on
is
the
going
ground
to
in a
Rahul, I
increase.
different
want to
area,
add
then
that
the
only planning doesn't goes right, because there are also some other elements required, like continuous support from our relatives, our family members,
yes, I agree with
Yeah,
Mr.
and
Jitendra, but
continuous
Definitely,
I
that
motivation
believe
support
to
is
I
Yeah,
needed by
exactly,
us.
with this
continuous
Jitendra.
there is
motivation
respective
is
area
required
like
yes,
Jitendra, I
in
Jitendra,
agree with
I
not
you.
am
Also,
every
we
saying
That
time.
need
is a
more
kind of
mental
jobs.
health.
outside
As
motivation.
Renu, as
Not
Renu
Jitendra,
also
according
telling
to me,
that
we
to
Area
be
we need some
successful
mental
in
health,
in
mental
all
our
the
stamina
race
to
family
of
take
life.
decision.
place.
support is very
Yeah,
Jitendra, we have to
uh,
yeah,
be
necessary,
self-motivated to win the
and
our
race of
mental
life,
health should
because
be so
and
Yeah,
strong
yes,
that
general
we
self.
need
hard
to
external
work
take
motivation is
is
decisions
no
and
something
we
that
best
it
need to
Yeah,
is
you
make
are
strategy
needed
right.
for
decisions.
a
Self
short
for
duration
motivation
of
is
Just
time.
also
not quit
important.
this anything we are doing. We should not quit what we are doing. We need to have
But
that mental strength to be
why
this.
support is
Support is
necessary? I want to
important,
add
but
one
Definitely,
very
Jitendra.
In
interesting line.
addition with the
I want
support,
to add,
support
one
please.
is
person has
also
to work
important.
on their
Indeed,
respective area.
Jitendra, I agree with you that our
Yeah,
self-motivation and
yeah.
our support from our relative is also needed in the race of life. That's
I
important
want
Exactly,
to
for
but
make
us.
a
If
very
we
And
need
I
important,
that,
one
think
very
that
interesting
In
support
the
is
line
race
over
of
here.
life, we
I
have to
want
not
to
focus
running
make
on
fast.
very
We are
in
interesting
their
taking
line
steps
over
respective
in
here.
area,
reality
not
to
on
run.
all the
Friends, I
I
want
on
to
want
all
to
the
make
discuss
area.
very
about this perspective of life. Who's winning?
Jitendra, at that
Win
point,
means
why
some people have some different perspective in winning.
Yeah,
motivation
exactly.
is
Everyone has
important.
their
Why
own opinion
motivation
of
is important?
winning.
If
Everyone
you
has
want
got
to go
different
actually,
aims,
far,
and
If
actually,
people
motivation
don't
don't
one
want
run
to
person to
go
the
fast,
other.
far,
Then
necessary
but
planning
motivation is
and
important,
Try
smart
but
if
the
we
working is
work so
and
also
we
much,
move to the
important.
race of our
sometimes
life.
Rupen
if we
has
work
said
but
a
so
very
much,
good
motivation
In
should
point
the
be
that
in
race,
the
slow
heart,
and
not
steady
from
wins the
the
race. This
other
is because
relatives. When the
when we start any work, then we have to be slow and steady to learn that. And after we learn that, we have to increase our speed to tackle the race of the life.
Yeah,
yes,
exactly.
Rahul.
yes,
But in life, it is
Whenever we
yes,
are
not
yes.
like
in
that only.
preparation
But
phase or
if you see
initial
many
phase,
startups
If
starting,
you
they
don't
have
have
to take the
proper,
Vishnu,
chances.
in
They
each and
have to
every part
chance.
of your
They
life, you
don't
are
run with
racing with
others.
somebody.
They
Vishnu,
won't
in
run with
each
in
and
others.
my
They
every part
point
make
of
of
their
your
view,
life,
own
I
you
think
are
own.
having
competition
a
is
race with
very high.
anybody else.
So
I think competition is very high. So
Even if you are
we
giving
want
the
to the
GATE
smart
paper,
work
that also have a
on
competition,
your
competition in
yes,
that.
career
Renu.
That
also.
also a race in that.
Yeah.
all
And even
all
if
the
you
What
are
in all
Yes,
doing
I
area
agree
here,
with that
you
one.
have a
competition
Very,
race
is
with
very
very but we have to do a smart work in the
everyone
relevant
is.
area in which we focus, not all the areas.
Yes,
So
Rupen,
the-
smart work is very important,
It's like
and
a
we need to
focus.
be
Rupen,
there.
you are
We need
talking
to
about
have a
focus.
strategy
You have
and
to plan
planning
in
to
a
be
way.
like in
successful
general
or
section
to
and
win
on
the life.
engineering and on medical sections.
There are
We have
many
to focus.
Rupen, you are talking
there are
about
many
the
people
focus.
working.
According to me, Rupen is
working and
saying right
running. There
that
are
we
many
have to
people,
be
but
focused
very
in our
few
work.
people.
We have to be consistent, and main thing is the focus. We have to be focused
Focus.
in our work.
And
Yes,
we
yes,
have to have
Rahul,
a
but there are
direction in
many
our work.
people.
Without focus,
There
we
are many
cannot
people
be
working. Many
We will
people
be
doing
moving out of our
same.
target.
Like if you take a कोई exam भी ले ले और कोई भी
If
चीज
you
ले ले
have
तो many
a
people are
continuous
working for
If
the
you
same.
motivation,
have
then only
any
the
type
focus
of
will
the
be
business,
maintained.
you
Competition,
can
but
take any type of the business, any type of you can take the career. Then you want to be a best strategy, best planning.
Yes.
exactly,
Yes,
exactly.
with
I'm not
And
we have to
saying
focus
execute that
on
plan.
their
One
respective
point,
areas.
someone
Yes.
agreeing with you.
Yes,
I'm
and
agreeing
smart
because
work.
Humility also,
Work is
humility is also
also
important.
that
Yes.
Definitely,
working hard also not
and
working
discipline
smart.
are the key
Work
points
smart,
of the
work
winning the
is
race.
more
Working hard
important,
and focus
not
in our
hard.
focus in our
Hard
work
work,
is
Yes,
smart
the key
Rahul,
point
focus
for
is
and
very
winning the
we
race.
be
important,
focused
but
on the
Main thing
but the
is
respective
that
area
strategy
we
is
are
very
also
talking about
important
important.
the
We
fast
to
not be
become a
about the
CEO,
running
to
fast in
become
the
a
race, because
to
each and
to
every
win any
Every
game or any
every
life
participant
person
situation
is
or
is
run
anything,
somebody else.
run in his
to get a
life.
get
We
rank or
have to
to
be
get a
fast for
job,
that.
to get anything in life, we need to have a strategy and focus, and very
We
important
also
things
need to
are
Yes,
have an
we
definitely,
need
idol.
to
We
work
Vishnu.
also
hard on
need to
Vishnu,
have
that,
an
we
but
all are
idol.
agreeing
at
with
the
that
same time
point
we
that we
need
have
that
to be
too.
that. Vishnu, we
in
are all
addition to the
agreeing with
focus,
that
we
point.
have to
We
make
are
an
not
ideal person which
deviating from that
don't
Yeah,
point,
yeah,
but
yeah.
we
We
are
have to
talking
have an
about the
ideal
extra
person
points.
that will be constantly
In
acting as a
which
motivation for us.
in
And in
my
this
also
point
connect,
of view,
Definitely,
an
Jiten.
ideal
in
I'm
person
my
like an
agreeing with
point
you.
of
APJ
view, I
Abdul
think
Kalam
every
he
person hard worker, but if we want to win in our life, then we want to be a smart
Smart
worker
also.
also.
Yes,
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 Ravi.
Yes,
with
Smart
a
also. We
smart
need to
definitely,
be
worker,
smart
yes,
also.
every
yes,
Yes.
I
person
agree with
will
you.
always to be
every
motivated.
person
Yes,
hard worker
Yes,
also.
ma'am.
yes,
There
definitely.
are many hard workers, but only some
We
are
should
them
not.
are becoming CEO, becoming some new thing are doing. So they are working smart and they are working on different things
Yes,
in
But
their life. And
yes.
Vishnu,
but
I want to add
but
one
there are
point.
And
Like
many
how
we
can
have
but
to
we
be
achieve the
consistent in our
target?
work. Like there are many startup which opens, but all of them, 95% of them were failed because the owner or the worker are failed with the
yes,
motivation. If they fail one time, they stop doing that work. But main thing is that
Yeah,
consistency
Yeah, yeah.
in
self-confidence.
Well,
create.
Yes,
I am
yes.
there
agreeing with you,
consistency
we
Rahul.
are
I'm
we
motivation
are
totally
not
don't
agreeing
from
with
even
the
the
doing
heart.
that work, I
When
think.
the
matters.
motivation don't come
Consistency
from the
of
Well,
course
heart,
if you are
matters.
doing
See,
the work, if
Like
we have a
consistency is the
motivation,
main
consistency is
thing.
you
not
are not
Yeah,
consistency will
working
not
only
consistency
for
is
come.
matters, and
that's not the
we need to
business.
have planning also,
Yes,
and
yes,
planning is
one
the main
yes.
important
thing.
thing,
Planning
Planning
is
is
the
also
first thing which
different
we
necessary.
have to do.
and one more important thing is the different people have different thing that in their life is winning. For someone to
Yes,
job
yes.
getting job, someone to have a meal is winning. For
Yes,
the
but Vishnu, in
daily
each and
worker,
every part you
there
have
is
a
For
race.
someone,
In
winning is not even part
in
of
Each
life.
every
and every
part
winning
of
part
the
you
the
have a
life
different
race.
people
we
have
need to
Vishnu,
take
different
main thing
things.
is
motivation.
that.
We need to
But
take
we
that.
want to be
Yeah,
work on a different type
but
for win in your life, win in our life also. Because of if we want to be win, then our work always the different. I think,
Yes, we
and
have to be
smart
smart
work.
working and do
Yes,
the work is right in that direction which no one is doing, so that we can win
yes,
the race.
yes, yes. I agree.
Okay.
yeah,
I
Now I
think
think no, I think we can
okay.
go for conclusion. So I give each one of you time 1 minute to conclude, and you have to conclude within that 1 minute. Kishan, we start from you.
So most of us are of the view that strategy and planning is very important. So for any individual to, for example, if we are taking that treating life to be as race, so in the initial phase of the race we need to properly plan and strategize. So that's why we need patience for that. And obviously at that particular time, running fast may not be the solution. And that's why everyone is saying that uh, properly strategy, everyone is focusing on more on strategy and planning. So yeah, exactly. So finally we have came to a conclusion that in the initial phase of our race we should be rather more focused on planning and strategy. That's why we are finally able to run fast in the end race of the life. So that's from my side. Thank you.
Okay. Now Jitendra.
Yeah, friends, we had a very good discussion now, and we have very good points shared by our teammates. Like Vishnu focused on strategy and planning and working hard, and Manu set the example of animal that even an animal has to race, always have to uh, run for his food. Our friend Rohit has given the example of patience. Like if you lose patience after 1 or 2 failures, then you will not be able to achieve success. So I would also like to add my point over it, like continuous motivation and support. We should also seek support from others because there's a line which goes. There's a line which. I'm audible.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Yes,
Sir,
yes,
am I
Jitendra,
audible?
go ahead. Yes, yes, you are audible. Jitendra, go ahead. Okay, Manu, you can start.
Yes, sir. So we had a very good discussion, a cordial discussion, and we got many points from this. And some of the points where Vishnu, Kishan, and Ankit pointed out that it's not always the person who runs fast that wins the race, but the person who maintains the pace, like in a marathon. And life can be more considered like a marathon. Another perspective is that life may not be always a race. It can be enjoyed like a music, or it cannot be always considered as a race, because some people don't consider it as a race. But anyway, it's survival, and all the animals need survival, like a rabbit saving its life from a tiger. And another thing, Renu has said that take the opportunity at the right time, and that can be expanded further to, let's take an example of a cricketer. If he is going out on the first ball of his only chance, his career is going to be ended. And that's another example we can take, when the one who runs fast always wins the race. But it cannot be concluded like the fastest person always wins the race. One who has the right direction, focus, and strategy wins the race. As a conclusion, I can say that.
Okay, and now Vishnu.
Thank you very much, everyone. I would like to take a opportunity to conclude this discussion. And first of all, I thank you everyone for your point of view. And in today's topic, we have concluded that we have had a very good discussion, and we have reached a conclusion that not only running fast in life is going to win, and it's mainly depends on the strategy and planning. And in the first phase of run, phases of anything, we need to be focused. As Rahul said, we need to be focused, and need to be prestige about. We need to be focused on this. And as Renu said, sometimes we have to be very mentally healthy and to take the decision when it comes to be part of it. And when the time comes, we need to be prepared, and we need to be have a plan and strategy to do better survival of winning the any situation or in life also. So to win the race, we need to be having patience and strategy, planning, hard working, and smart working. These are the main important things which are very important to win the race, win the any situation or win the life. Thank you.
Okay, now Rupen.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I am very happy to conclude the discussion. So today our discussion is going very smooth. As Mr. Rahul said, that be patient and we have to work hard to win in race. And according to the Renu, the active person to win in race of life, the person should be active and healthy in everywhere. And according to Kishan Jaiswal, as youth should have the proper planning and strategy. So the conclusion point of view is that to win in race of life, we have to have proper planning, strategy, and we have to be active person. So this is my conclusion, sir. Thank you.
Okay, now Ankit.
Okay, friends, I am glad to conclude the discussion. The discussion was smooth and we made some good points. Like we have to run fast, but we have to be persistent also, and we have to run in a particular direction, which is also known as smart work also. And yeah, we have to be patient, and our mental and physical health is also important. And like one of our fellow said that it is not a 100-meter race, it is a marathon. So we have to run like we have to save our energy. So we can complete the race. Like some of us run fast in the initial phase, but not able to complete the race. So we have to keep that in mind also. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, Renu.
In my team point of view, I have many points for this conclusion. First point is now competition is very high. So I think smart work is very important. Smart hard work is very important because everyone work hard. Second point is the patience is also required. Third, health is also required. Family and self motivation is very important. Best strategy and best planning for achieve your target is also require. Fifth point is always we have learning capacity because every day learn something to us. And sixth point, take the benefit of the right opportunity at the right time. And And thank you.
Okay, and Rahul?
Okay, friends, I'm glad to conclude the discussion. We had a good discussion and could reach consensus. Some points given by my friends were really good. For winning the race of life, like Vishnu quoted very right thing, that running fast is not important, but there are several other factors which are also important, like strategy and goal should be there. Smart, we have to do smart work. Like Ankit said, that we should have a direction, a right direction for that. We should be persistent for that. And Rupen has a very good point that slow and steady wins the race, means that in the initial position, we have to be slow and patient for that. After that, the speed is going to be automatically increased. Renu has quoted a very good point that we have a proper planning for that and we have to be a work hard. So that's all from my side. Thank you.
Great. So let me know, I think everybody has spoken conclusion. So let me tell you, Jitendra, you have already told or you want to add some points?
Yes, sir. Middle में disconnected हो गया.
हाँ, बोलो बोलो.
I wanted to add one more point that like Kishan has mentioned a very important quote, like life is not a 100-meter race but a marathon. I would like to add upon this that this is very true, because let's suppose you got a success, but you become very calm and composed and you stop working hard. This is not a right sign. You should constantly be working, because yes, life is this is what means that life is not a 100-meter race. You should be constantly working. Similarly, if you get any failure, you should not be disheartened. You should be self-motivated. You should seek motivation. You follow your idols, and you should seek for support. Like a very famous quote goes like this, that if you want to go far, go alone, run alone. Whereas if you want to go fast, run alone. Whereas if you want to go far, run together. Thank you.
Okay. So now let me tell you what this all was. You know, in
Sir?
this kind of, yeah.
Sir,
You are left. Vishnu, are you left? You have given conclusion, no?
ये सर मैं कंक्लूजन दे दिया है. मैं एक्चुअली डिस्कशन में एक मैंने पॉइंट ऐड नहीं किया था, मुझे अभी याद आया. मैं बता सकता हूँ क्या?
हाँ.
लाइक बहुत लोग, सब लोग बोलते हैं कि बहता हुआ पानी कभी खराब नहीं होता है, तो हमें कभी रुकना नहीं चाहिए, हमें करना ही चाहिए, हमें चीजें करते रहना चाहिए, हमें लाइफ में आगे बढ़ता रहना चाहिए. बस सर यही पॉइंट पहले ऐड करना था.
डिपेंड करता तुम किसको बोल रहे हो बहना.
वही सर, मतलब
नहीं मतलब फ्लो किसको बोल रहे हो तुम? सपोज आई एम मेडिटेटिंग, सिटिंग ऑन हिमालय, आराम से मेडिटेशन, आई एम ग्रोइंग. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय फ्लो?
फ्लो वहां पे ये फ्लो होगा सर कि तुम्हारा जो काम है वो फ्लो है, कि तुम्हारा मेडिटेशन करना वो फ्लो है. अगर तुम्हारा मेडिटेशन करना है लेकिन तुम नहीं कर रहे हो, वो ये नहीं है. अगर तुम्हें डेली मेडिटेशन करना है वो फ्लो है, लेकिन तुम नहीं कर रहे हो तो वो फ्लो नहीं है. मतलब
सो हाउ दिस इज रेलेवेंट टू दिस टॉपिक?
दोज हु रन फास्ट. ओके, तो हम ये बोल रहे थे कि जो रन फास्ट, तो रन फास्ट करना कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं है, ये बोल रहे थे हम. मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ द, मैं तो ये बोल रहा था कि रनिंग फास्ट इज नॉट टू, जो विन नहीं होता है, जो रन. लेकिन ऐसा भी नहीं है कि तुम रुक जाओ, कि तुम रुक जाओगे तो तब भी नहीं होगा. याद करना था मुझे.
सर ये बोलना चाह रहा, रनिंग स्टोन गैदर्स नो मॉस, एक लाइन है इसको. मतलब जब बहता हुआ पानी कभी, मतलब बहता हुआ पत्थर कभी भी गंदा नहीं होता, उस तरह से कुछ.
रोलिंग स्टोन गैदर्स नो मॉस, इज दैट व्हाट यू आर सेइंग? Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, you need to tell the points which actually are very very relevant for the topic, right? Like ये topic है जैसे those who run fast win in the race of life. You need to dissect the topic very well. Dissect it. अच्छे तरीके से dissect करो, understand it. It's a philosophical topic होते हैं. And then keep yourself very close to the topic itself. You know, 2-3 points very well you said, all of you. Somebody said life is not 100-meter race. Kishan said life is not 100-meter race but a marathon. That is very true, you know. Kishan कहाँ से ली ये line?
सर योरपीडिया के चैनल से.
किसके इंटरव्यू से उठाया?
सर वो एक आईआईटी रोपड़ वाले डायरेक्टर का वीडियो.
प्रोफेसर दास.
Yes, yes.
Professor Das says life is not a 100-meter race, it is a marathon. There is a meaning of that actually, and these people follow it. This is a meaning of that. Is a director IIT Ropar. He was interacting with me, and in the interview he told me that. And this is good. इसका मतलब ये है कि, and then you know, Hare and Tortoise, रुपेन ने Hare and Tortoise की बात की, वो भी बहुत अच्छा था एक का, वही चीज है. Hare was running fast. Tortoise was consistently running. Tortoise was running consistently. Hare was running fast. Now what is life? Life is not 100-meter race. 100-meter race में consistency may not be very important parameter. Fast may be parameter. But the point is life is not a 100-meter race. So life की race में you need to run as a marathon. You need to maintain the consistency and a pace. Why? Because if you run very fast, maybe you lose motivation very fast. You lose your energy very fast. You get exhausted very fast. And hence in life, you should conserve these things. You should conserve your energy. You should conserve your, I'll say, this potential. You should conserve your this particular energy level or motivation level. So you should not lose your all these energy basis for the life. So maintain a pace and keep moving with consistently. Maintaining pace, maintaining that particular pace and moving consistently in particular direction. That is something which is required in the race of life. So here, a race of life, when we say life means long duration thing. Race means duration of the life, how you're passing the life. Now you need to dissect it. What is the meaning of fast, putting effort? What is the meaning of race of life? That is a life itself. Everybody is going into that direction. What is the meaning of winning? Now winning is a subjective term. Winning is a subjective term. What do you mean by winning? For some people, winning can be measured in terms of success, career growth, money earned, reputation earned, prestige, self-satisfaction. Winning can be different for every person. So when you guys will be at the age of 60, 70, 80 and retired and look back, how was the life? Have you won it? Then you will have different parameters. Yes, I was a good son, I was a good husband, I was a good father, I was a good friend, and I successfully run the show. You may say, yes, I earned so much money. I inherited nothing, but I gave so much to my predecessors. That is win for me. You'll say, yes, I struggled a lot. I came to this level. People know me. That is a winning for you. So winning is something which is subjectively to be decided. You cannot say that earning money is a win for everyone. Some people may not chase money. They will say, nahi, jitna chahiye utna hi mere ko paisa hona chahiye. So introduction would have been like you read this statement. Good evening, friends. My name is Rahul and I initiate the discussion. Friends, the topic today given for the discussion is philosophical having deep meaning. And it is very, very interesting topic. The topic given is those who run fast wins the race of life. Friends, I agree to this statement only partially. Largely, I disagree with the statement. I disagree with the statement because number one, life is not 100-meter race, it is a marathon. Number two, if you want to run and win marathon, you need not to run fast. You need to run consistently, maintaining pace, conserving your basically potential without getting exhausted in the shorter time. So you need to maintain the persistence. So that is, I do not agree with this. Now I'm very sure, friends, you have very important points to give here and discuss about this topic. And at the end, we will come out with a very good opinion about the topic. So this would have been the best introduction. And then you start putting in between whatever you want to put. That is what you can do. And this is how it has to be. So this two things, if you add Hare and Tortoise story and life is not 100-meter race but a marathon, if you add these two things, then entire topic is understood. But I do not agree with this topic. That you should have said in the beginning that largely I disagree with the statement. For those who run fast win the race of life. Actually, it is not a correct statement. Yes, partially it may be correct in certain situations where you have to push hard, you have to run fast. Yes, in that case it may be, but then you need to define what is a win for you. Then you need to define what is win for you. But life, when we say, it is a long perspective. If you run fast, you may not maintain the rhythm, you may not maintain the consistency, that is the only trouble. So you cannot agree with that statement. And whenever such statement is given where you can say agree or disagree, take a side and go forward. Jitendra, you gave 3 idiot example. What was that?
Sir, introduction में मतलब
हाँ, क्या था वो?
you'll
क्या बोलना चाह रहे थे उसमें?
just
3 इडियट में कब क्या बोलता है, कौन बोलता है उसमें, क्या होता है उसमें?
सर प्रोफेसर बोलता है कि मतलब if you don't run fast people may overtake you.
हाँ, तो तुम इसको इस स्टेटमेंट को जस्टिफाई कर रहे थे या इसके अगेंस्ट बोल रहे थे?
वही सर पार्शियली एग्री कर रहे थे क्योंकि
प्रोफेसर ही तो गलत प्रूव किया उस मूवी के अंदर.
यस सर.
तो तुम ये बोलते कि I do not agree with this statement, and in fact you have seen that in 3 Idiot movie also, when the professor starts coming and telling everyone and life is a race, you have to run fast and fast, but at the end what proves is everybody should lead the life as per their temperament, maintaining the consistency. That was one of the best college, and one of the engineering graduate left the engineering and joined the photography because long term perspective में उसको चलना था. राइट. सो वही तो आपने लाइन उठाई 3 इडियट वाली, लेकिन तुम एग्री कर गए इस स्टेटमेंट से जबकि तुम्हें डिसएग्री करना चाहिए था. मैं वही बोल रहा था तुम्हें. समझ रहे मेरा पॉइंट तुम क्या है? प्रोफेसर को ही तो गलत प्रूव किया है, प्रोफेसर को सही प्रूव थोड़ी किया उस मूवी में 3 इडियट में. राइट. देन यू सेड ग्रैब द अपॉर्चुनिटी. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट?
मतलब सर एक्टिव रहना चाहिए जब भी अपॉर्चुनिटी रहे. मतलब
और तुम सोचो यार, वो लाइफ की बात कर रहा है, अपॉर्चुनिटी की बात थोड़ी कर रहा है. अभी तुम्हें अपॉर्चुनिटी आ गई तो लाइफ थोड़ी. तुम एक बात बताओ यार, IUCL में सिलेक्ट हो जाओगे, लाइफ का रेस जीत लिया क्या तुमने? ये गेट में रैंक 100 के अंदर मार दी तो लाइफ की रेस थोड़ी जीत ली तुमने. मैं ऐसे बहुत से ऑफिसर्स को जानता हूं, IAS ऑफिसर बड़ी यंग एज में बन गए, जॉब में गए, करप्शन में फंसे, सस्पेंड हुए, टर्मिनेट हुए, सुसाइड करके मर गए बाद में एंड में. नहीं सुशांत, हम you can say that that is also he has not won the race of life, you can say that yes, though he got successful. तो वो शॉर्ट टर्म नहीं है ना यार, वो शॉर्ट टर्म नहीं है, लॉन्ग टर्म पर्सपेक्टिव में. चलो क्या करोगे यार, बहुत ज्यादा फास्ट दौड़ के क्या करोगे? शॉर्ट टर्म पर्सपेक्टिव है ना वो, लॉन्ग टर्म पर्सपेक्टिव यू कैन. एंड आई टोल्ड यू गिव एग्जांपल्स, इफ यू कैन गिव एग्जांपल गिव एग्जांपल्स. हेयर एंड टॉर्टोइज तो है ही एग्जांपल. सुशांत राजपूत ऑब्वियसली वो रिपब्लिकन टीवी ने बहुत एग्जांपल दे दिए, तो हम ना दें तो अच्छा है. मतलब अदरवाइज यू गिव सम अनदर एग्जांपल. लोग पक गए ना उसका एग्जांपल तो सुन के, तो यू कुड हैव गिवन सम अनदर एग्जांपल आल्सो कि ये ऐसा नहीं होता, मतलब ये नहीं होता. You can say that if someone very successful fellow when he goes for suicide, that means he did not win the race. That means somewhere something went wrong.
सर हम फिक्शनल एग्जांपल भी दे सकते हैं क्या सर, जो रियल नहीं है?
समझ आ जाए बस मेरे को, मतलब सुनने वाले को पता लग जाए तुम क्या बोल रहे हो.
ठीक है सर. मतलब कोई मैं मूवी उठा दिया, मतलब मैं
बिल्कुल
यार ये मूवी में ऐसा हुआ है, ये तो एक स्टोरी में ऐसा हुआ है.
बट विष्णु, अगर तू तेलुगु मूवी उठाएगा और मेरे को पता नहीं चलेगा फिर कैसे करेंगे?
नहीं सर, मुझे हिंदी मूवी से मतलब जो लोगों को रिलेवेंट है, मतलब लोगों को पता है, तो कोई भी मूवी या कोई भी जो लोगों को पता है, अगर वो एग्जांपल दे दिया तो चलेगा.
बिल्कुल चलेगा. जैसे शोले मूवी के एग्जांपल देते तो समझ आ जाएगा, कोई ट्रबल नहीं उसमें. यू कैन गिव दैट काइंड ऑफ एग्जांपल्स. यस, गिव एग्जांपल, मेक योर पॉइंट कन्विंसिंग. पॉइंट रखो ना अपना यार, उसमें अच्छा पॉइंट रखो उसमें. दैट इज ट्रू, दैट हैज टू बी देयर. राइट. सो जितेंद्र, ये था. मनु ने डार्विन थ्योरी की बात किया. मनु, व्हाट वाज दैट डार्विन थ्योरी? व्हाई यू सेड दैट?
That was I mentioned in the case of animal kingdom, sir. In that case, the running fast wins the life. That's the example. In the case of a rabbit, let's take the example of a rabbit and tiger.
तो rabbit and tiger में क्या होता है? वो कौन सी स्टोरी है?
If the rabbit doesn't run fast, he is going to be in trouble.
If rabbit runs howsoever fast, tiger will eat it. Not a problem.
सर एक्चुअली
ऐसा कौन सा रैबिट है, ऐसा कौन सा रैबिट है जो फास्ट दौड़ के टाइगर से बच जाएगा यार? वो तो खाई जाएगा
ना. रैबिट फास्ट नहीं दौड़ता है, रैबिट और स्ट्रेट भी नहीं दौड़ता है. रैबिट ना साइड दौड़ता है, मतलब ऐसे जिगजैग में जाता है.
लगान मूवी की मुर्गी की तरह दौड़ता है ना, लगान मूवी की मुर्गी की तरह. हाँ,
वो हम उसको फास्ट नहीं बोल सकते, उसको स्ट्रैटेजी बोल सकते हैं सर, काइंड ऑफ.
वो तो डर के भाग रहा है. अगर दिन उसका अच्छा तो बच जाएगा, दिन का अच्छा नहीं है तो पेट के अंदर जाएगा. तो तुम ये स्टोरी तो मेरे को समझ नहीं आया इसका, डार्विन का. ये क्या था मनु? व्हाट वाज दैट?
It was not a story, sir. It was an example, like.
So that is what I am asking you. What was this? How this is related to this? statement.
If he's not running fast, he is going to be in the stomach of the tiger, sir. Anyway.
That is not race life of that is not race of life for rabbit. It is not that life. Survival life nahi hai yaar. You understand the topic actually. You understand the topic. In the race of life, it is not that. Run for your.
Only applied to humans.
See, I give you a topic. Those who run fast for their life will survive. Then it is okay. Those who run fast for their life will survive. Then it is correct what you are saying. But the topic was those who run fast win the race of life. Race of life. It is not a race for life. कि अपनी life बचाओ वो नहीं है. When you spend life, then how you should spend it so that at the end you say I have won the life. These two things are different, Manu. So I think you misunderstood it to be somewhere survival से related. Life, अपनी life बचाओ. No, it's not like that. भागो 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 वो आ गया वो नहीं है. It was not like that. It was a race of life. So that I think it started with the wrong introduction. Later on, yes, your conclusion was good. You said marathon hai and Vishnu and Ankit ka. Your conclusion you mentioned about others also. That was the best part. That was thing. And life is music. You should enjoy it. That was also good concept you were giving, but still it was not very clear. What was that concept? Tell me.
Sir, that was on a tech talk I heard from YouTube, sir. It was like you should not always it's not always like a race. You should always enjoy your life.
Life is not destiny. It is a journey.
They were telling that it's not always a journey. Also, it's something like a music.
Tell me again.
It's something like a music, something to enjoy.
So you should not only think of when music will end it up. It is continuously you have to enjoy. Right? Life is journey. It is not basically the destination which you have to wait for. That is correct. But you need to, as I told you, when you give some example, make it very clear what example you are giving, why you are giving. Otherwise, it will not be very obvious to the listener why he's saying so. Then Vishnu, you said it is a philosophical topic. That was a good starting point. What is win? Vishnu said you need to define what is win, success. There are different perspectives of winning. Somebody may say this is a win for me. Somebody will say this is win. So Vishnu ne dissection kiya topic ka. Are introduction is very simple. When topic is given, dissect it. If topic mein there is a democracy, at least define what is democracy. If topic mein likha hai win, race, तो define करो कि here winning means what. Define करने के एक तो dissection करो. Number 2, topic का side लो. Take side. You agree or you disagree? Tell me. Sir, I agree largely. I disagree largely. I do not agree at all. I agree 100%. Take a side ना यार. Take a side, dissect it. 3-4 sentence वहीं से निकल जाते हैं तुम्हारे पास. Dissection वगैरह में. And that puts good impression for others. So Vishnu ने dissection मारा. Work hard, work smart. That is what he said. He said that running fast means work hard. I think that is what he meant. Running fast means work hard. But only running fast should not be there because smart work should also be there. But here, running fast was hard work, but consistency is something which gives long duration to it. Not smart work, but consistency. I tell you one thing, those who do not work smart, but if they work hard consistently, even they will win. Listen again carefully. Yes, those who do not work smart, they are not smart guys, but they keep pushing, they keep working hard. Then with passage of time, things change for them. They are not smart guys, very ordinary guys. So if I ask you, hard work, smart work or consistency, pick it up. Pick up one. You'll say consistency. यार consistency का कोई तोड़ नहीं है. Consistency का. आप हर बार ग्रेड लिखते रहो, मेहनत तो करोगे ही, हार्ड वर्क तो करोगे, वो तो भाई अगर एफर्ट ही नहीं कर रहे तो कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं आती. कंसिस्टेंसी से पहले एफर्ट आता है. हार्ड वर्क कम्स बिफोर कंसिस्टेंसी. So you say, sir, I'm consistent. Means what? Sir, I'm writing GATE every year without preparation. That is not called consistency. So I am writing GATE every year without preparation, sir. So 10 साल हो गए मेरा रिजल्ट ही नहीं आया. भाई पढ़ के लिखते हो नहीं, से बिना पढ़े लिखते हैं, तो उसको कंसिस्टेंसी थोड़ी बोलते हैं. कंसिस्टेंसी मींस पुटिंग एफर्ट continuously. That is called consistency. So consistency is something which is very, very important, and this topic was related to that only.
Yes, sir.
So life is not a race, win strategy planning. So it was okay, Vishnu, that you could participate today was good. Your today Vishnu and Renu, your participation was much improved. That is what I'll say. Renu, you could also speak a lot, like Renu also mentioned. But Renu, your topics were not organized way. Again, you are in that stage of GD where you are speaking now. GD may there are only 3 stages. Stage number 1, when you do not speak at all. Stage number 2, when you start speaking, but that is not organized. You start speaking anything. Stage number 3, you speak and you speak sense. There are only 3 stages. So Renu, you are in the second stage now. Earlier you were in the first stage, you were not even speaking. So second stage may you may not get a disqualify. First may you get disqualified. Again, listen, 3 stages in GD. 1, you don't speak at all. You don't enter, you don't conclude, you don't introduce. Second is you start, you conclude, you introduce, but what you are speaking makes no sense. Even then you can survive. Third is you are speaking very well. The stage of Rahul is like that. Rahul, Jitendra also is coming, Manu is coming there, Kishan is there. Kishan ka practice pehle ka hai. Kishan is not a new face, is a very old face. He came after, I think, some gap, but he's very old face. He was already expert. So this he is that particular point. Now Vishnu, you have started speaking and you are making sense also. Rupen, you and Renu, you have just started. Rupen, it is your second, I think. Renu, you have started speaking. So you said many things, but I could not understand Renu today. You said healthy and active hona chahiye person, and hardworking hona chahiye, planning strategy, right decision. So you mentioned many points, and you said that you put these points together and make a sense out of it. That is what you told everyone, that I'm going to give you points. You put them in sentences, understand it, and make sentences. So that was the trouble actually. So you said many things, but they were not coordinated things, what you wanted to say. And you did not include the points of others in conclusion. Conclusion is very simple. You have to listen to others and make sense and tell it. Like sometimes you say, na sir, wo ye batane ki try kar raha hai. That means you understood him, and now you're telling me that what he wants to say, that you understood him very well. That is called conclusion. Okay, listen to everyone and tell the observers that this is what they want to tell. Conclusion is very simple actually. So you need to listen others and just tell it. So that is how it was. And Rupen, you need not to read from the page. You are reading the topic from the page. Don't do that. Introduction.
Yes sir. सर मेरे को इससे पहले पता नहीं था सर, ये तो हमको लगा सर जो बाइडेन और ट्रम्प के लिए सर था, वो हम क्लेम प्रिपेयर किए हुए थे.
नहीं एक्चुअली क्या होता है, मैं टॉपिक सवेरे कुछ और टॉपिक लिखता हूँ, फिर दोपहर में मेरा मूड चेंज हो जाता है, फिर शाम को मैं कुछ और टॉपिक लिख देता हूँ. जैसे आज जो टॉपिक चेंज हुआ था वो इसलिए होता है, somebody asked कि सर what is the list? I said there is no list today. First come first serve. Those who enter fast will win the race. तो वहां से मेरे दिमाग में है कि philosophical topic बनाते हैं, and that is how it all started.
Yes sir, I prepared for the Joe Biden sir, इसलिए so I am not prepared for it sir.
So that is how it is going to be. You will prepare something and I'll ask you something. Actually में वैसा ही होगा. That is how it goes. So be prepared for any topic. Any topic you need to prepare. GD में अगर confident होना है तो go with the mentality that topic can be anything. Does not matter. Topic can be anything. Does not matter. मैं जीत जाऊंगा. अगर तुम उस स्टेज पे आ गए then you are good in GD. But if you think और सर आज मेरा पढ़ा हुआ टॉपिक आ गया तो I have won it, ऐसा कभी नहीं होता. अगर मैं तुम्हें बता भी दूं कि कल ये टॉपिक आना है, you may fail. I tell you honestly. अगर आपको GD करना नहीं आता आप फेल हो जाओगे. मैं आपको टॉपिक बता देता हूं कि ये टॉपिक मैं करूंगा कल, and you see you cannot participate, you cannot speak. But if you speak well, I don't tell you topic, you can speak. That means GD is totally practice. It is not knowledge game. It is a practice game. How you speak, how you participate, how you start, how you introduce, how you conclude, how you enter. GD is about that. It is not about knowledge.
सर मुझे बहुत दिनों से था कि सर जैसे वो जो मेंटर बोलते हैं कि स्टार्ट कर दो, तो जैसे एक ही बार में 2-3 लोग इंट्रोड्यूस करने स्टार्ट हो गए. अगर यहाँ पे मान ले मैं और राहुल एक ही बार में स्टार्ट कर दिया कि इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, सर हम दोनों बोलने लग गए और हम दोनों इंट्रोड्यूस दे ही रहे कि मैं थोड़ा कभी पेज में स्लो कर रहा हूँ, कभी वो कर रहा है, लेकिन दोनों नहीं रुक रहे, दोनों इंट्रोड्यूस कर ही रहे कि कोई वो रुक जाएगा मैं रुक जाऊंगा. तो तब क्या होगा सर कि मतलब
तब सर्वाइवल ऑफ फिटेस्ट होता है. तब देन सर्वाइवल ऑफ फिटेस्ट विष्णु, जो फिट है वो जीत जाएगा.
तो कंक्लूजन भी ऐसा ही हो सकता है.
यस, एंड ये नहीं है कि जो बोलता रहेगा वो जीत जाएगा. I did not say that. कई बार तुम बोलते रहते हो एंड यू लूज, कई बार तुम चुप होके यू विन. Sometime by speaking you win, sometime by stopping you win. Ultimately you need to win, and winning is practice. Winning is not destiny, winning is not capability, winning is practice, friends. That's it. It comes with practice. आपने बोलना स्टार्ट किया, आपने भी बोलना स्टार्ट किया, फिर आप बोलते बोलते आपने दूसरे को ऐसे प्रूव कर दिया कि तो रुक ही नहीं रहा है, चल तू ही बोल ले, मैंने तेरे को बोले चल तू चला जा. ये अंडरस्टैंड? जैसे गाड़ी है, रेस है, जैसे क्यू में लगे हो तो कई बार तुम बोलते हो प्लीज गो, तो आपने उसको आगे जाने दिए, लेकिन इंप्रेशन आप ले गए सारा कि यार ये तो ज्यादा जेन्युइन है. तो कई बार क्या होता है कि वो आ रहा है, आप उसके आगे चले गए, आप इंप्रेशन ले गए. तो ये तो सारी की सारी प्रैक्टिस है, इसका कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है. समटाइम यू विल नॉट लेट अदर्स स्पीक एंड यू विल स्पीक एंड यू विल विन. समटाइम यू विल नॉट लेट अदर्स स्पीक एंड यू विल स्पीक एंड यू लूज, बिकॉज द पर्सन विल फील यार कैसा आदमी है यार, ही इज इरिटेंट, he is not expert, he is irritant. So if you are irritant and speaking, you will not get marks. If you are expert and you speak, then you will win. So you need to be expert, not irritant, and that is practice. So Vishnu, it comes with the practice only, not sometimes you say no this sir chaos फैला हुआ है, मैं कैसे घुसूं सर, ये तो बोलने नहीं दे रहे हैं. अरे बोलने थोड़ी देगा कोई किसी को यार. It is a competition, friends. I say 1,000 students are appearing for IOCL and there are 2,000 seats in IOCL. Do you think there's a need of interview? The need of interview is 1,000 people are there, they have to take 100 only. That is the reason. So who will be 100? The best one. And who will be the best one? People with practice. As simple as that. So do practice, and when you will be perfect, then these questions will not arise at all. कि सर क्या फैला हुआ है, या बोलने नहीं दे रहे हैं, या ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं आएगा. फिर तुम प्रैक्टिस के साथ निकल जाओगे आगे. एंड यहाँ जो प्रैक्टिस करोगे, एक्चुअल में जीडी में देखोगे लोग बोलते ही नहीं है. एक्चुअल जीडी में तुम्हें ट्रबल नहीं आएगा. यहाँ पे तो प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं ना तुम लोग, तो बोल रहे हो, सब लोग प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं. वहां पे नहीं होता, वहां तो चुप हो जाते हैं सारे. वहां पे तो ट्रबल ही आ जाती है कि बोल ही कोई नहीं रहा था सर, मैं भी कितना बोलता, कोई नहीं बोल रहा था. फिर मेरे को शर्म ही आ गई सर. फिर आई थॉट कि नहीं यार, तुम भी तो बोलो ना यार, तुम मुंह बंद करके बैठे बोलो यार, जीडी चल रहा है, कोई सिंगल मेरा भाषण थोड़ी चल रहा है, तुम भी बोलो. ऐसा होता है मेनी टाइम्स दिस हैपेंस.
और एक क्वेश्चन है सर, जीडी जीटी दोनों के लिए ग्रुप सेम ही होता है क्या सर, या जीडी के लिए डिफरेंट और जीटी के लिए डिफरेंट ग्रुप होता है?
yes Rahul, you want to say something to this question?
अगर मान लीजिए सर कि ठीक है एक ही है ग्रुप. हेलो
Rahul has some point.
No sir.
What you saying? Not same group, or you don't have point?
No sir, I am talking with my sister.
Okay, good. I thought you're talking with us. So actually the group is I think same.
Okay सर, अगर ऐसा सेम है तो मैंने स्टार्ट मतलब मैंने इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया ग्रुप में, और मैंने फर्स्ट वाला भी कंक्लूड कर दिया. अगर जीटी भी मैंने स्टार्ट कर दिया, जीटी भी मैंने कंक्लूड किया, तो इसके लिए बैड इंप्रेशन होगा क्या सर कि मैं बहुत ज्यादा बोल रहा हूँ?
नहीं, मैंने वही बोला, बैड इंप्रेशन तब होगा अगर तुम इरिटेंट हो. एक्सपर्ट हो तब नहीं होगा यार. That depends how you speak. See, I am speaking a lot. You see in the GD I speak a lot at the end also. You will listen to me if it makes sense. The moment I start talking nonsense, you will lose the interest and you will not be attentive. So when I'm talking to you, you will be attentive only if I'm talking well and if I'm talking interesting. If I'm talking nonsense, not interesting, you will lose interest very soon. That is what actually is the point. So speaking more is not a problem, but speaking nonsense is a problem. So speak more if you make sense, very good. If you don't make sense, don't speak. That is the meaning of it. Then Rupen, hair and tortoise का बहुत अच्छा दिया था तुमने. That was a good point which you gave. And smart strategy, smart work, that is good planning strategy. So पिछले कल से तुम्हारे में काफी improvement है. You are talking sense actually. That is good thing. But start speaking now more assertively, right? Kishan, you said this is relevant for us as we all are youth. So this is relevant for us, and life is not 100-meter race. That is good. You were speaking very well, Kishan. We were listening to you. The moment when we were listening and you were speaking very well, you stopped in the introduction. Speak. If you're talking sense, keep talking. Don't stop immediately, because that is the mileage you get. Then in between you could not come. You see, coming in between in discussion is very important. So Kishan, then Manu, sometime Manu, you used to come earlier, but this time you were not coming. Kishan, then Rupen, You were not coming very frequently, and I think Ankit also, he's not there now, but Ankit also was sitting chup chap, say he was not coming. You should be under continuous pressure to enter the discussion. Renu could enter again and again, and Renu, there are less girls in that group, so whosoever is the girl, when she starts speaking, other stops, other will listen, because that is something different. You know, voice is also, your voice is also audible clearly, so you have that advantage. Don't lose that advantage. Enter and speak in a flow. You enter and then you stop, then others will start speaking. So you take the advantage and enter. You have the advantage in that. So today you were speaking in between also. Ankit ka to, he did not complete properly in the introduction, he did not say, and in between also he was not coming, so he should come in between. Renu, I have given you feedback. Rahul, as said, you are hardworking, persistent, but Rahul, you need to now become very, very meticulous. As I told you, there are very fixed set of rules. You need to talk the topic, you take the side, you dissect it, explain the things. So today in the introduction, you did not do that. You said healthy, you said hardworking, persistence, initially be patient. The best point you were giving was that you need to be patient initially. So the patient here means was that conserving your resources and persist for long time. So persistence for long time. You need to be patient in the beginning means you need to conserve your resources. That is what you were saying. Focus should be there on the goal and keep consistent. So that is the point you said, and slow and steady will win the race. That is what also was the point given by you, and also conclusion was good. So Rahul, you are already okay, but then go to the next level, that irrespective of the topic, your scheme of thought is very clear. What introduction you will give, what everything is, that is good. And I tell you, this GD, what practice you are doing is not only to get into IUCL or some job. This will help you once you are in the job. This will surely help you when there are 5 people sitting in the meeting and you are discussing. This will help you to grow in your career. So think it holistically, not कि मेरे को IUCL में enter करना है, कि मेरे को बाद में भी discussion करना है, तो this is how I'm going to discuss. 10 लोग बैठे हैं, 10 executive बैठे हैं, managing director बैठा है. What is your point? Yes sir, this is my point. This is what I'm saying. So there it is going to help you. That will be very good if you do that. So this is what my point was. अच्छा topic था, लेकिन आप समझो अब इसको, इंट्रोडक्शन, कंक्लूजन कैसे एंटर करना है, एंड इट्स ऑल प्रैक्टिस यार, इट्स ऑल प्रैक्टिस. यू नो, आई गिव यू मोर टाइम हियर फॉर डिस्कशन बिकॉज दैट इज अ प्रैक्टिस. एक्चुअल में उतना टाइम थोड़ी है, एक्चुअल में 10-15 मिनट में खत्म हो जाता है, बट यहाँ पे तो हम 1-1.5 घंटा चला रखते हैं प्रैक्टिस के लिए, सो दैट वी गेट बेटर प्रैक्टिस हियर, राइट. दैट इज ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड. सो टुडे का जीडी में इफ आई गिव मार्क्स, तो आई विल गिव राहुल highest marks, and then I'll give to Kishan and Manu the marks, then I'll give to Vishnu and Jitendra, then I'll give to Rupen and Renu. This is how I will give the marks today, right? So everyone is to Kishan का negative बीच में enter नहीं किया, Jitendra का negative वो मेरे ख्याल से conclude वगैरह ढंग से नहीं कर पाया because continuity में trouble था, and शुरू में ही उसने introduction गलत start कर दिया जितेंद्र ने. विष्णु का था कि उसने अच्छा बोला सारा ठीक है, लेकिन बीच में वो एंटर नहीं कर रहा था बहुत ज्यादा विष्णु. मनु का वाज ओके, बट मनु यू नीड टू एंटर इन बिटवीन, और जो आपने शुरू में इंट्रोडक्शन किया वो आपने ऐसी बातें बोल दी जो समझ नहीं आई एक्चुअली. सो यू वर स्पीकिंग समथिंग व्हिच पीपल वर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग, इनडायरेक्टली वो लिंक था. रूपेन बोला बट ही कुड नॉट स्पीक मच. रेनू ने बोला लेकिन कोऑर्डिनेटेड नहीं था वो. राहुल स्पोक वेल, इंट्रोडक्शन, बॉडी एंड कंक्लूजन, ही कुड स्टिक टू दैट format and he could speak also. That's the reason he's getting highest in this particular GD. This is how it has to be. But none of you was in some situation where you were not speaking much except Ankit. तो Ankit वो था कि जो बोल कम रहा था. That is the disaster. 3 categories. Don't be in the 3rd category. Don't be in the 3rd category where you do not write anything on the page. If I'm to give you marks, I'll only give you marks if your page is written. If it is blank, I cannot give you marks. If it is written, whether you written nonsense, still I have some authority to give you marks. So speak something, whether it is nonsense, but speak something, right? So that will give you the marks in GD. Fine. Anything you want to say now? So we ended up.
Yes.
Okay. Good night to all of you then.
Good night,
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good